As Kuma climbed, barely able to make his way up the sheer cliffs of the great crevasse, he began to remember the moments that started his painful journey. On the night of the attack, Swordmaster instructed Gino and Afro, the best sword fighters of the school, to find and protect the children as they raced to their safe haven, a rocky outcropping near the ocean called the Bodhi Tree.
Gino! Gather the children. Meet us at the safe haven.
I want that headband!
Run! Otsuru, everybody, hold on. I'll be right there.
Somebody shoot him!
Run! Ah! Damn it. Hold on, I'm coming. Afro! Afro, where are you? Help me protect the other children!
Ow! 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 No!
Fuck!
Ow! You son of a... Ow! You son of a bitch!
Afro, the archer! Ah! Fuck! Fuck! Otsuru! Otsuru!
Oh, fuck! Hey! Oh, man!
Damn it!
Hey!
Damn it! No!
Gino!
Where are you?
This must end here. Let it go, Afro. What's done cannot be undone. But even now, still, you have a choice.
Oh no. Where's Otsuru? Otsuru! Otsuru, no, 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 no! It can't be. This can't be. Ah! Otsuru. Otsuru. No! Afro, what have you done? What have you done? You killed our father? What have you done? Look at what you've done. Look at what you've done! They're all dead! Otsuru. Otsuru is dead, Afro! And it's all because of you! You did this!
The empty Seven Brothers saved Gino from certain death after his plunge into the ocean when the orphanage was destroyed. But we could not save his sister, Otsuru. Nor could we ever bring him closure on his family's untimely demise.
Otsuru! Fuck! Damn it!
Gotcha, bitch! It's time I finish the job on your ass, Kuma. Look what we got here crawling out the trash. You don't look so good, motherfucker. And I bet Sunday shit you don't fight so good neither with your ass all busted up. I've been waiting to kill your ass since the day them fucking brothers brought your ass in here. Humming and hawing about how you's gonna lead them motherfuckers to the promised land. Well, you certainly did that, motherfucker. You certainly did just that. Nah, though. It's my turn to run this shit. And I don't think I'm gonna need any help from a cosplay-looking motherfucker like you. I'm sending you to heaven today, bitch. Too motherfucking late. Look at the wounded cub hiding in the snow. You! Make sure he don't get away in this storm. Kuma! You can't hide forever! We gonna find you, motherfucker.
Follow me, Gino. Don't
Stab
give up.
every piece of ground till you
You can
find
do it, Gino.
Yes, sir. The Snow Leopard clan own this mountain now, motherfucker. And we ain't sharing shit.
Your second father, your mother in a way, was Daruman. He took your broken form and gave you life, purpose, power. So much pain. We're going to have fun together. It's from pain that we draw strength.
What am I? Who is this?
This is the Afro Samurai. The number 2. You crave him, need him, love him. And like all things you love, you will destroy him.
I understand.
Wait for him at the summit of Mount Shumi, where the number 1 dwells. Eventually, he will come to you. A bear? This image is important. A hook he hangs himself on.
Quick, there he is. Catch that motherfucker before he hide in the temple.
You monstrosity! Die! A righteous death. You monstrosity! We trusted you to do this sacred duty, to fulfill our obligations. Putrid demon, we created you, and you live while die! You monstrosity! We trusted you to do this sacred duty, to fulfill our obligations. Putrid demon, we created you, and you live while my brothers are dead. Unable to know the sweet smell of your blood running down my face. Would you deface me?
You let him get away.
Eyes!
You did this to all of us. You let him get away! It was my